Hello, we are Recoffery, and we innovate bioplastics made with waste coffee grounds C-PLA. Korea is one of the world's biggest coffee consumers. Annually, Koreans consume around 37 million tons of coffee, which is equivalent to around 370 Eiffel Towers. The number of cafes that spend the coffee is around 83,000, with a growth rate of 15% every single year. With our love of coffee, however, comes the aftermath. 99.8% of the coffee that we consume becomes waste, producing 36 million tons just in Korea. In addition, we use around 350,000 tons of plastics to consume coffee, which is equivalent to 87,500 elephants. For the case of waste coffee grounds, only 10% of its production is upcycled to products such as fertilizers or pottery. And for plastics, the Korean government is restricting the use of plastics by 2050. The substitutes of plastics such as PLA or paper have issues of high dependency of crops or low versatility. We Recoffery wanted to bring a solution to the environmental damage our coffee consumption practices bring. To do so, we believe creating an upcycling chain for waste coffee ground, providing affordable bioplastics, and manufacturing user-centric end products are essential. Our bioplastic C-PLA is made with upcycled waste coffee ground mixed with PLA and Recoffery's remedied plasticizer solution. C-PLA has 50% less dependency of new crops, as well as up to 66% more affordable than traditional bioplastic, pricing around normal plastic products. But still, it maintains thermal formability and allows it to be mass-produced. After conducting a usability service of our straw prototype, consumers and cafes were happy with the high usability of our product compared to conventional paper straws, as well as a low price. We wish to supply disposable cups, straws, and reusable tumblers to the cafe industry, which currently has strong demands for bioplastics. Since cafes are key partners to Recoffery, we provide free collection service and product delivery through our upcycling chain, where we go through steps of collection, production, and distribution. The market for disposable cups and straws can be seen with numbers of cafes. The entire Korean market has 83,000 cafes, a $495 million market. From these cafes, we initially target the capital region and specifically Seoul area, a market of 18,000 cafes and $190 million market. For the next 3 years, we wish to expand the numbers of cafes that we collect from and to sell. By 2022, we hope to reach 100 cafes, 1,500 cafes, and in 2024, 5,000 cafes, with a total of $40 million in sales. We expect to hit the 3 years of ESG KPIs, including 2,970 tons of waste coffee ground that we upcycle, 1,800 tons of plastic that we replace, and reducing up to 200 tons of methane. In the near future, we hope to continuously make sales in the $500 million disposables market in the cafe, as well as we want to expand to food packaging and cosmetic packaging market within the Korean market, which is around 4.91 million tons or $50 billion. To fulfill our plans, our team is built with research, production, and data-driven members and is currently receiving support from advisors in the field of industrial and material engineering. Starting from the love of coffee, Recoffery will bring a zero-waste bioplastic society with C-PLA. Thank you.